We couldn't reach the bowling alley, so our producer brought it here to us. Real bowling balls and real pins. Nothing plastic or kiddie-like about these. But guess what? Go on, since you interrupt me. Go on. No, I'm not talking anymore. You said but already, so talk. Not really.
Yeah.
Tell the people how much.
All right, so we have to bowl with different ways. So we have left hand overhead between this elbow, bowling all kind of. Is that I get them all of it?
Elbow overhead, kicking, squat bowl, spin bowl, left hand, left foot.
Left hand holding left foot. Or you
Left
can bowl with
hand.
the left hand holding left foot or which way?
So you hold your right hand.
No, it's a left hand holding left foot.
Well, if your left hand is holding your left foot, it would stand to reason that the only hand you have available
Right,
would be your
elbow
right
first.
hand.
So wait, hold on, you have to put it on the ground. So what if we just go straight in the elbow?
You mean use your elbow?
So, I'm a Mr. One then.
No, wait, never too close.
I'm a Mr. One.
Never mind. You're going to say you're too close, but it don't matter. Okay.
Hold on, no? You're one
Oh, yes!
No, but you're one over there.
The rules never said I couldn't use yours.
Go bad again. You're one over there. All right, so that was the elbow.
Oh.
What's the next one?
The next one is overhead bowl.
Overhead.
So this is like a spinner's bowl, like
right.
a cricket.
Okay.
That was not over your head though, Nev.
Of course it was.
That was over your shoulder.
No, over my head.
It was over your shoulder.
All right.
Does not count.
Next one.
Put on your attention. Oh man.
Kicking.
Here, hold your ball.
Thank you.
Football. This is too easy for Nev though.
Kicking. You that.
I can't.
Right, I use my right foot.
No, use your left foot. You're a left footer.
Yeah. Miss.
My God. What?
See. Did.
No.
See how you reach. How you reach where August.
Wow. See, you're doing really badly this morning. Okay, what's the next one? Oh boy.
Squat or something.
Squat bar. Is it? Okay.
What's my next ball?
The next one, ladies and gentlemen.
Where's my next ball?
That's the one I did kick around the back?
No, but I'm going for that one.
Oh. You can borrow my ball.
Where are my balls?
Good question.
What's the next one?
Spin bowl. Isn't that what you just did a while ago?
Spin like. I get that. Spin. How you spin
Or
your
is
body?
it like this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Where's the next?
Sorry, sir. I remember this a while ago. Flank those now. Can't see.
So you spin your body.
That's what I did, but
So
I
you
got
start,
dizzy.
And go so. Yeah.
That was good though.
Ooh. Yeah.
This game is
I'm
tiring.
tired, you know.
Left hand holding left foot ball. Why am I missing so badly? And yeah, geez, did you see what just happened?
No, I didn't.
It was in the perfect line,
So
but it jumped over.
Left hand hold left foot. Left hand. That's it, folks. Right foot.
Good job, Nev.
Thank you. Coming up is rollout, so we soon come. Whew, we're tired.